यार वो कुछ दिख ही नहीं रही उसके सामने आ वो वीडियो कैसे आएगा।
भाभी
हेलो लीना।
हाय लीना भाभी।
Hi Lena.
लीना मौसी आई।
हाय लीना माफी।
Good in the good. Hi Lena Didi.
हेलो डियर नुपुर।
हाय दीदी। हेलो दीदी। हे नुपुर।
हेलो लीना जी।
हाय बुआ। लीना। लीना।
यही तो है गोदी में बच्चा ले बताते जाओ तुम गोदी में बच्चा था वो ये 30-40
I hope that your birthday is beautiful, wonderful and full of love, just like you.
very happy birthday.
very very happy birthday. Enjoy your 40th birthday.
ये मेरा भाई
हैप्पी बर्थडे ताईजी। हैप्पी बर्थडे ताईजी। वाओ व्हाट अ सेलिब्रेशन। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday लीना। लीना दीदी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे
Happy birthday to
ये हाथरस से है मामा जी की बेटी मेरे मामा जी ये मेरे पापा
शुभकामनाएं।
ऐसा लग रहा है इनको फर्स्ट
Everybody quiet.
enjoy your day. Happy birthday Nupur. Happy birthday. हम भी अगर अच्छे होते नाम तुम्हारा होता बबलू बबलू खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Lots of hugs, kisses, love.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday लीना माफी।
Very very happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your day.
Wish you a very happy birthday. Stay happy, healthy and safe. Enjoy your day.
हेलो बुआ हैप्पी बर्थडे
बहुत बड़ा अच्छा है आपका।
हमारे स्कूल है
Wishing you a very happy birthday, mommy. Sending you more love, more happiness, more health to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear.
Wishing you a happiest 40th birthday, Leena.
कौन है की सिस्टर थी एंड शी आल्सो हैज हिज बर्थडे ऑन द सेम डे 7 जुलाई इसका 7 जुलाई को ये लंदन ये चक्कर था पकड़ रखी पी रखी है उन्होंने
चलो मैं चली थी तो आपने देखी
तो अशीम लग रहा है
भाई है बेटा।
ये दोनों भाई हैं छोटे ये कभी भाई बना
I always cherish the memories we had together in Pittsburgh. Take care. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday to you.
बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, खुश रहो, खूब तरक्की करो, खूब मौज उड़ाओ।
आप हमारे पास रहती हो, हमारा बहुत ख्याल रखती हो। फाइनली 40th क्लब में आएंगे। क्या करते
तुम्हें पता है मैं तुम्हें कैसे याद करती हूँ? The most cheerful girl.
Finally, your 40th birthday is here, and I'm sure we all are excited as much as you are. Hope this day turns out like a fairy tale for you. Happy birthday, dear. And it's been great knowing you all these years, and you were someone whom I have always and I will always look forward to. So do take care of yourself. Always be as much as sweet as you are. And 40 तो just एक number है, तुम तो forever young रहोगे, तुम्हें भी पता है. Love you, dear, and take care and have a very happy birthday.
Happy 40th birthday. I wish you all the health, wealth and happiness in the world. You are great. You're not only a good cook and a good dancer, but you're also very happy-go-lucky person, good listener and a quick learner. May your life always gives you a reason to celebrate. Always keep smiling. Cheers to our friendship. Lots of love and laughter. May this continue forever.
Being a younger one, I pampered by all of you a lot, but I want to say you that you have taken care of me like my mummy. Sorry, Jai Nipali.
How time flies पता ही नहीं चलता यार. कैसे कभी तो हम जब छोटे थे तो क्या म्यूज़िक सिस्टम चलाकर इतनी तेज़ डांस किया करते थे. हाँ, खूब डांस करते थे और शॉपिंग करते थे खूब अपनी हीरो के ऊपर. लड़ते भी खूब थे. तेरी मेरी तो बड़ी लड़ाइयाँ होती थी याद है. पर जीतती तो मैं ही थी. और पर मनाने लास्ट में तू ही आती थी. और तूने खूब अपने कुकिंग क्लासेस में जाकर हमें जब आती थी तो खूब.
And your cooking? That was awesome. Everybody knows, I guess. Yeah, so delicacies you made after your cooking class, that was awesome. Whether it's dum aloo, it's paneer makhana, it's patties, all awesome. I missed that.
ओके लीना दीदी 40th बर्थडे बट आई थिंक सो हम लोग एक दूसरे को पिछले 10 साल से जानते हैं. एंड मोर देन अ सिस्टर इन लॉ, यू आर लाइक अ बडी कम मेंटोर टू मी, जिससे मैं अपने मन की बात शेयर कर सकती हूँ. एंड आई नो कि मुझे हमेशा सही एडवाइस मिलती रहेगी. विशिंग यू वेरी 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 हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड एंजॉय योर डे. यो टाटा कर दो.
I want to tell you as a sister, तुम बहुत केयरिंग हो, लविंग हो. तुमने जितना भी हमारा बाहर का काम होता था, मुझे याद है तुम हीरो पुक से जाके हमारे लिए लाती थी, घर का सामान लाती थी. मगर घर के सामान के साथ साथ जब पैसे बच जाते थे तो तुम अपने लिए कुछ चीज़ लाती थी, जैसे च्युइंगम चॉकलेट, जो तुम हमें नहीं देती थी. मगर मैं बहुत तेज था, तुम्हारी अलमीरा से निकाल के सबों में दिखा देता था, फिर मम्मी को बताता था. मम्मी तुम्हें चिल्लाती थी. उसके बाद ये लगता था कि शायद गलत किया. आई एम सॉरी फॉर इट.
Happiest 40th birthday Leena. I cherish always our childhood memories. हम कितना लड़ते थे, झगड़ते थे, तेरे से खाना बनवाते थे. एक्चुअली तुझे खाना बनाना बड़ा अच्छा लगता था. एंड यू आर द मास्टर शेफ ऑफ आवर फैमिली. And I love your cooking and dancing skills, and you enjoy actually dance also. So enjoy your special day, my beautiful sister, and you are very loving, caring and bubbly. and take care. Bye.
Happy birthday. Hope you have a great day.
Happy birthday, Nupur. So glad we get to know you. And I think you can be happy at least that you're 3,650 days away from turning 50.
Happy birthday, Nupur. It was so nice last weekend spending time with you.
Happy birthday, Lina. Happy birthday, Nupur. It was so nice, or it has been so nice to see you for last 7 to 8 years.
Happy birthday.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, my darling Nupur. I know life starts at 40, so don't think you're old. And knowing you, you know you're so vibrant, which is very, very contagious. You've always been so much fun to be with. 4 years of our journey has been super wonderful, and I can't tell you how much I cherish our friendship. Wishing you lots and lots of happiness. I can't tell you how talented you are. I know I've said it multiple times, and I'm sure you'll say that you know it, but what a wonderful cook. You are such an amazing dancer. I can't take my eyes off you, and people call us Gonki, but look at you, you should be called Govinda, and I should be the Chunky here because you are such a wonderful dancer. And I hope our friendship and our partnership of being called Gonki remains forever. I love you a lot. And as you say that you wish that I was your elder sister, I still am and will always be. Love you a lot.
It's already 1 minute. हम लोग सोचे थे पूरा वीडियो 1 मिनट के अंदर कर देंगे. She's taken the 1 minute. So हमारी मिस बबली का जन्मदिन है, and Nupur, you come across as a very cheerful, bubbly, and very exuberant personality that I know. And I remember Saurabh ke yahan when we were discussing, I asked you what is that you want in life, and you know you said, I mean, my kids are remain happy, family remains happy, that's all I want. But somehow I feel, I mean, बहुत sensitive, but there's a side of you which a lot of people don't see that. I believe you are very sensitive and you know, who understands emotions and has who tries to live life to the fullest. So I've written 3-4 lines for you. Hope you like it. तमन्ना करते हो आप जिन खुशियों की, वह खुशियां आपके कदमों में हो. ईश्वर आपको वह सब हकीकत में दे जो सोचा आपने सपनों में हो. This is something that I made for you. I'll hand it over to you today. Wishing you a very happy birthday, Nupur. And कल कौन कहाँ रहता है पता नहीं, but you know you'll remain etched in our memories for a long time. So all the very best.
And कहीं भी रहे, by the way, the friendship will be the same, right? Absolutely, it will be. And cheers to many more. And to our baby doll, this is for you.
Listening the song.
Did you remember I was doing something on a wall and we were sitting below that scenery actually, and the scenery got fallen on your face and got swallowed up. It was a big boom, you know, something on your face, and it was like, oh, what happened? Sorry for that.
And you are my not only bhabhi, you are my best friend also. So always stay blessed and stay happy. Bye and take care. Enjoy your day.
मैं बहनों में सबसे बड़ी, और हमारी लीना जो कि सबसे प्यारी बहन है. सब उसको प्यार से मोटी मोटी कहते थे, लेकिन लीना ने तो कभी उसका बुरा माना ही नहीं. पापा की बात बताती हूँ. एक पापा कोई भी चीज़ कहते थे तो लीना से कहते थे, लीना पापड़ भून ला. और लीना क्या करती थी, और फिर क्या कहते थे, लीना एक अपने लिए भी. तो लीना खुश होकर भाग के जाती थी और जल्दी से पापा के लिए पापड़ भून के लाती थी. लीना जो सबसे बहुत प्यार से बात करती है. आज तक जिससे भी लीना की बात करो वो सब लीना की तारीफ करेंगे. विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. ये हजारों साल के दिन हो 50,000.
तुम्हारी स्माइल, तुम्हारी आईज के अलावा तुम्हारी एक चीज़ मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है, एंड आई थिंक सबको अच्छी लगती है, is that you never feel bad. कभी मुंह नहीं बना के बैठती हो. तुमने आज तक मुझे खुद को मनाने का मौका नहीं दिया. In all the years we've been in love. Baby, you know, the best part of each day of my life is sharing it with a sweet girl like you. I look up to the morning tea and the breakfast you share with me. Your smile and the little morning chit-chat keeps me going for the day. I love your smile. I love your touch. I love your beautiful eyes. And above all, I love the kuch kuch hota hai that you do on my arms. I love you. You are simply irresistible. यार फैन है तुम्हारे बस. हैप्पी बर्थडे. Happy birthday to the most beautiful, caring, understanding person I know, who I love and support for the rest of my life, regardless of the fact that I am allowed to go to play ping pong with the boys or cricket this weekend or not. This is my lifelong wish, to travel around the world with you and grow old clicking your pictures. Happy birthday, beautiful wife.
I think we have been such hug now. The guys and girls, please give a round of applause to Sachin. Oh, sorry. Please wish one and only beautiful, caring, loving, master chef and most social person on this universe, Mrs. Nooper. Happy birthday, sis. Enjoy your day. Take care. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Guys, the floor is open now. Enjoy the party. Bye bye.
तेरे पीछे आ गवाची